welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the vibe. All right, so today we're gonna make sweet potato pudding. I got this old coconut fresh from the island. We're gonna take it out of the thing. We're gonna grate it. We got sweet potato, flour, some brown sugar, all utensils, my vanilla, nutmeg, salt. So let's get into the vibe. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna peel this sweet potato and we're gonna grate it. So what you wanna do is you wanna take the skin off. So we take the skin off. And usually they cook this outside. You can cook it in your oven. So what I'm gonna do today is we're gonna just cook it in our oven. One of these days I'm gonna set up my outside oven and we're gonna do some outside cooking. But today we're just cooking it in our oven. All right, so we take the skin off. What we're gonna do is here we go. Chop it up, chop it up, chop it up. Yeah, so then we'll leave the coconut for last. Now finish grate our sweet potatoes. Set it. Oh, it's shrink. That's a nice drop down. Oh. Alright, so good to go. Sweet potato ready. You always want to make sure you check if there's any big chunks or big lumps in your sweet potato. So now we're gonna cut up our coconut. Holy shit. Be careful not to cut the fingers. Add some fresh coconut milk. I tried with the coconut thing, but I had to bleep that out. Add some dry coconut in there. Some vanilla. Some brown sugar. And a little bit of salt. Give it a little mix. Some fresh nutmeg. Everything fresh. Everything fresh. Then we're gonna put some melted butter. Yeah. Extra nutmeg. Some more sugar. So we actually use like 2 cups of sugar. Cup of flour. Kind of freestyle in this. It's my freestyle sweet potato pudding. Get all the lumps out. Probably the biggest lump of sugar ever. A little bit, not too much. I'm gonna add a little bit more nutmeg for flavor. And a little bit more vanilla for a vibe. A little extra vibe, I'm gonna put a touch of brown in. Just a touch. Give it a little extra vibe. The last thing is our butter. Around 4 ounces of butter. That's the last thing. I'll mix that up. Rastaman vibration, yeah, positive. Rastaman, ready. Oh, something wrong. Look more sugar. Definitely look more sugar. Look more salt. Look more vanilla. Huh? No, no more vanilla. See, I can't laugh at the thing. Easy, go out and there. So. Alright, so now I'll put a little more cinnamon. Yeah, right, that's all. So with a little bit of this, a little bit more flour. I'll put a little bit more flour. Put a little bit of everything. Yeah, a little more flour. Another thing. Yeah. A little bit of this and a little bit of that. And with the pan the attack. Now, you're ready. So now we'll just preheat the oven. 350. Maybe I'll do a steam bath, maybe I'll do it dry. I think I'll do a steam bath. Now we're ready. Now, ready. Now it's ready. See it there? Perfect amount. Exactly. So, a little bit of this, a little bit of that.